Hey Gems, welcome back. It's Lorena. Today I'm so excited to share with you guys a haul because these products have been many years in the making. I'm so excited for the creator and to have them in my hands. I have an order from YTverse. Can you guys guess? Yes, I ordered some of the Goss lip products. He just created his makeup line and this is what he's starting with. And from my understanding, YTverse had a huge hand in helping him get this off the ground. So yay, YTverse! So yeah, I literally just cut open the box and I'm gonna show you guys. So this is what it looks like. And then you get really pretty, all fancy, all black packaging. Alright, we've got a little sampler kit and then my actual products right here. Okay, so I bought 2 glosses, 2 lip colors, and 1 lip pencil. So, quickly going into, what is this? Oribe Mystify Restyling Spray. Okay, for your hair. Cool. So that's a sample that I got, which I wasn't expecting a free sample from YTverse, so that's pretty awesome. The little breakdown of your order and how to return things if you're unhappy. Alright, here's the goods. So right off the bat I can tell you guys, one is the tiniest bit shorter than the other. So I'm guessing this is a gloss, this is the bullet. Let's see. Yeah, the gloss is taller than the bullet, you guys can see there. The packaging is really cute. It's a sleek silver. I know it's very reflective. It does say Goss on there. I think you guys can see it if I hold it like that. Very fancy. It does have like all the ingredients on this on the other side. But yeah, let's get into this. So I think what I'm going to do to try these on is go with least pigmented to most. So I'm going to start off with the glosses and then we'll go to the lip bullets and then I'll use a lip liner at the end. Kind of a weird order, but I figured hopefully that way nothing stains and it doesn't affect the pigmentation of the next product. Yep. So we've got 2 glosses, 2 lip colors. I should have opened these before. But I wanted to share with you guys the excitement, right? That's part of the fun, seeing an unboxing and seeing people's reaction, like, oh my gosh, or I don't know about this. So yes, very excited about this. I've been watching Wayne since he, gosh, I can't even remember how long ago. Like, he's so funny. I think he's so genuine and I love his semi-snarky sense of humor. Alright, very sleek, sturdy. They're definitely plastic, but I don't mind that. I got Hyacinth and Antique Rose. Antique Rose is the shimmery one. Hyacinth is here. Let's go into the shimmery rose first. And it does, of course, say Goss on the cap as well. You guys can see that tiny lettering. So, ooh, okay, interesting applicator. Not much of a scent. Oh my gosh, look at that shine. That is so pretty. Ooh, yeah. It's a little thick, but it's not sticky. It's really nice. You can't feel any of the glitter because it definitely has glitter in here. I will do a close up for you guys, but it definitely has a shimmer aspect. I mean, hello, that shine is not going to come on your lips without some glitter, something in there. And wow, that's really pretty. It's really nude though. Like, it really is not the strongest pigmentation wise, but it is a soft champagne, I would say. You can see that shine right there. It just has the tiniest hint of like a peachiness to it, like a nudie peach kind of color. Really pretty. He mentioned that he wanted mint in it. I'm not really picking up too much of a minty tingle, but it does have a slight hint of it, so pretty nice, pretty nice. Alright, let's go into the next one. Alright. There's some shimmer residue, if you guys can see there. But I don't really feel much thickness left from wiping it off. So next is Hyacinth. This one just looks like a really pretty nudie pinky peach, which is exactly my kind of shade. Let me apply it first. Ooh, that's pretty. It's more of a peach. I'm like, forget the pinky, it's just a peachy. So you could do a sheer wash like this, but that has quite a bit of pigmentation there. Again, not thick and sticky and gross. It does have a certain... Actually, no, this one I feel less than the Antique Rose, which is interesting. Let's see how she builds. I mean, look at that shine, you guys. I hope the camera's picking up on how just beautifully shiny and glossy that is without feeling thick and gross and like my lips are stuck together. No, it's like really comfortable. Wow. I'm not a huge gloss person, but I was like, I have to. It's Wayne, I have to. So I actually really like this formula, guys. It's shocking because glosses annoy me a lot of the times, but that is super pretty. If you guys want to see a swatch of my hand, let's do that real quick. See, it's just a gorgeous peachy shade right there. I love it. Okay, let's remove her again. Easy to remove. Alright, go into the lip colors, the actual lipstick bullets. So Carnation and Daisy. Daisy wasn't one that I was like, oh my gosh, I love the color, but my middle name is Margarita, which in Spanish is the daisy flower. So we have this inside joke with my family about me when I was little, because I used to hate saying my middle name was Margarita, so I would tell people it was Daisy. Until my mom caught me and was like, what the heck are you telling people? That's not your middle name. And I was like, it is if you switch it to English. So yeah, I just had to get Daisy because it's kind of like the namesake. So this is super pretty. It says Wayne, Goss, super fancy. Look at that. There's nothing like a brand new lipstick. But like nice smooth. I mean, it's a generic shape, but looking at a brand new lipstick that you're about to try on that's like hasn't been touched, it's so satisfying, you know? So let's just go for it. Actually, my lips are feeling just the tiniest bit dry since I rubbed everything off of them. What I'm going to do is just apply just the tiniest dab of the Laneige mask because I kind of like pulled everything off and my lips are feeling it, so I'm going to pat off that too. I could barely did a dab. Yeah, I just felt like my lips needed something, so. Okay. That's a really pretty nudie peach. It's kind of like the softer bullet version of that gloss. So Hyacinth and Daisy are going to go perfectly together. Nice and creamy. Doesn't feel thick. Not picking up a scent. Let's see how well she builds. Yeah, that's really pretty. I could see myself wearing this just like quick throw in the bag kind of color. Ooh, and it says Wayne Goss along the lip of the bullet there too. I like it. It's creamy. It went on nicely. It feels comfortable. Doesn't feel like it's going to be drying. It's not going to be super long lasting like a liquid lip or a matte lip. It's definitely going to transfer. Yeah, definitely got to transfer. So I definitely got to, you know, careful kissing my boyfriend because he hates when my lipstick transfers. But that is really pretty. Okay. Alright, one more lip color and lip liner. So let's go. This one is Carnation. I wanted something on the deeper end. And this looks like a really pretty, like semi-deep rose color. Again, no scent. This one does seem to have like a little bit of that sweating going. I'm not going to be able to do it close up for you guys, but I think it was just the transportation, hopefully. Alright, let's go in. My lips are feeling dry from the rubbing. Okay, that's just a quick swipe. And even that gave me really pretty pigmentation. That's really nice. Again, it's creamy, it doesn't feel thick, it doesn't feel heavy. It's building up really nicely though. And yeah, it's like a really subtle, like rose pink, a little bit of red, but not too like bam in your face. That is really pretty, guys. And it's looking a little messy because I literally just went like, but I really, really like this too. I'm gonna swatch it over here for you guys. You can see. I mean, that's just gorgeous. So creamy. Feels really comfy on the lips again. It's not a matte, so not transfer proof. And you know, I don't even care. It's so pretty and so soft and comfortable. That is really nice. Alright guys, and last but not least, I do have one lip pencil. Oh, it's getting harder to get this off. I'm exaggerating. I'm just not used to rubbing my lips so much in one sitting. Alright, and the lip pencil, I got the color Sepia or Sepia. And looks like your standard lip pencil. This one I wanted because it was like a pink brown combo, and that's kind of what I've been looking for. I've been really, really on the hunt for. That is really pretty. Yeah, something to help deepen my lips, but not be too exaggerated. And like I said, my lips are feeling a little dry from the rubbing, so I'm just going to throw a little bit of the Laneige on again. Literally, I'm like tapping my finger and that's it. Like, so I'm going to add a little bit of moisture because the rubbing is making them feel a little dry. Alright. Pick up the mirror and be a little bit closer. Okay, now when Wayne was describing this on his video, in his like intro video, he did say these are not like the creamiest formula, and I can see what he means because sometimes you just feel like it's melting on your lips. This one doesn't feel that way, but it's not also not super dry. It's just like a nice in between, and I'm loving the color. Ooh, and see how easily that spread? That is actually really nice. I am loving this because this is kind of the effect that I've been getting by using my MAC Stone, which is a lot deeper, a lot more gray brown, whereas this is more of a rosy brown, which, excuse me, is a perfect base for the type of look I've been wanting to do. So this is really creamy, very comfortable. Even if I only went with this, I don't feel like it would be drying on my lips at all. It feels really like actually kind of creamy, even though he said they're not that creamy. It feels pretty good, Wayne. I don't know what you're talking about. This is so nice. This is the perfect like nudie brownie pink actually. Like if I could get this in a lipstick bullet, I would order 3. This is beautiful. And if there is one, let me know what shade it is because I will grab it, girl. That is awesome. So that is everything that I got so far. I'm loving it. I'll give you guys more of my thoughts. I'll leave them in the description box down below. Give me a couple of days to try them, but I want to share with you guys my first impressions, and I love it. Like, it's so great. I'm gonna put a little bit of Antique Rose on top and see how that combo works. Because that shine, like, I had to go back to it. It's so pretty. Look at that. I barely put any on. How gorgeous is that? I can see myself keeping these in my purse, keeping them handy. Definitely going to be go-tos for a while because this is so, so nice. So yay! I hope you guys enjoyed this haul, first impressions. I don't even know what I'm going to call this video. I just want to share with you guys some of the goodies that I got. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. I know they're kind of on the more expensive side. I want to say the lipsticks were $28, these were like $22, and the lip liner was like $14. I'll have the exact prices here as I'm talking, but I definitely think it's worth it. I mean, they're comparable to other high-end brands price-wise, but also they're not like Givenchy and like crazy like Louboutin prices. They're just kind of like, you know, nice in between, and the quality is really great. I'm pretty sure they're vegan and cruelty-free. I'm not sure about the vegan. Pretty sure they're cruelty-free. I'll leave a note here if they're vegan or not, but it's Wayne Goss. I trust him. I love him. I wanted to support him, and that's why I had to pick some up. I'm really curious about some of the other ones. A lot of them are sold out now, so it's like, ugh. But no, I'm going to be good. Stick to these. I'll leave more thoughts down below as I use them a little bit more. But thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you had fun. Found this informative. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. Which of the shades you like better. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, hit the like, all that jazz. Thank you so much. I'll see y'all very soon.